What's up, y'all boys? Today I'm gonna be going over Friday's trade that I took. I haven't done a trade recap yet, so this is gonna be my first trade recap I do on the server. Oh shit, looks like I asked for somebody here. Alright. Well, anyways, guys, let's just go over this trade that I took on Friday. This was prior to my morning strat. This was after me doing my morning strat, so I was already up like 800 bucks in the day. I seen this long, and I took it. It was around 2 o'clock. Here's morning's price action for Friday. It was absolutely great as well. I took a short there. Or no, did I take a long here? Yeah, this was another long setup. But yeah, this was the trade that I seen 2 o'clock. I took it. I didn't take it on my real account, but I took it on my trading view account. And it was a smackaroo. It was exactly how I take my trades most of the time. So let me just go over it really quick. So I trade off order blocks and sweeps. And then I wait for a CISD to appear. So that's exactly what happened here. And if you trade inverse fair value gaps, which I do also, your entry would have been like right here after the fair value gap got inversed, and you would have been targeting this high right here at 299 or 9994. 24,994 is what I would have been targeting. So there was really two entries to this long. It was a perfect long. It was pretty much, well, I got in like here, so damn near a 100-point long, bro. It was like a 90-point long if you would have wrote it out. It was literally perfect. So let me just break it down. Liquidity sweep here, and then we see some structure. I did not enter until right here after I seen CISD, which is a change in structure and change in state. So I entered about right here is where I entered off of after I seen that big. It was a big candle upwards. I don't know if you guys see that right here. It was a huge candle to the upside. So I entered off that CISD. Tapped into order block. Big liquidity sweep down here. We touched this equal low. Yeah, this was literally the perfect entry. I was targeting this high right up here at 2962, and it literally smacked TP. I went break even up here, and it was literally a perfect entry, guys. My stop loss was at the wick low right here, so I entered about right here. We did draw down a little bit, and we shot right back up. Went break even here, and then we just rode it out from there. It was like a 5-10. It was like a 5-minute trade. It was really simple, really easy. Glad I took it. This is basically my model. I like trading off order blocks a lot. It's kind of my main model. Like right here, I could have took a long. We tapped in, and we tapped in another order block up here. I would have took that trade as well. But when you're up so fat on the day and the price action was literally perfect for Friday, here's another example right here. Order block tap, started going down. I probably would have entered shorts right here, and I would have been targeting this low at the order block as well. So that's kind of how I trade. I like trading off order blocks, and I like trading off sweeps. Um, in the morning, though, I do like trading off inverse fair value gaps. You know, right after New York Open is kind of when I'll do that. So our morning strat played out within the first 5 to 10 minutes of New York market opening. We absolutely smacked on that. Um, so yeah, I mean, shit, it was perfect price action on Friday for me at least. I know a lot of people did get smoked on Friday as well, but for me, price action was perfect. And yeah, I fucked with it, guys. I made like 4K. Made like 4K on Friday, so that was a free ass day. Um, but yeah, I'm really hoping for a good week coming up here. So that was that trade that I took. I trade off order blocks, guys, and I trade off changing structure, changing state, liquidity sweeps. And yeah, inverse fair value gaps as well. You could say Dodgy's model. That's what I like as well. That's a good model. But I really like order blocks. Not a lot of people trade off order blocks for some reason, but I like them. I think they're good. That's how I determine my entry a lot of the times and when to get out as well. As soon as you come tap in the order block, I'm usually, all right, guys, I'm out. And I'll usually put TP at order block as well. So like here, let me just explain it one more time. Tap in order block, liquidity sweep down below. So and then I do wait for IFVG sometimes. If we inverse fair value gap, that's your entry. I know there's an inverse fair value gap model, guys, but that's literally it's just an indicator for an entry. That's literally what a inverse fair value gap is. You enter off that. That's not your whole trade setup. You have to have targets above, and you have to have usually a liquidity sweep at the bottom or S&T or something like that. Um, so yeah, usually inverse fair value gap and the change of state, and then targets above, and then hopefully you have a liquidity sweep below, and that's how you determine the perfect setup. And I explained that all in my private group as well. But yeah, I just kind of want to run this down really quick. It's currently Saturday afternoon, so I want to do a little quick trade recap. But yeah, guys, we're going into a crazy week up here coming Monday. We have a war going on with Iran and shit now. So when Sunday market opens, long the fuck out of gold. Low key, do it. Send it. Long gold. I think gold's gonna shoot up to the moon. So throw a long at it, guys. But yeah, That was just a quick trade recap. I'll see you guys Monday.